I'm going to show you a few different ways to place images in your InDesign project. The first way is to go to File, Place, and then navigate to your folder where your images are. Pick the image, click Open, and you'll have what is called a loaded cursor. So you can see I've got a little thumbnail of my image here. Click where you want the corner of the image. I'm going to put it right at the bleed line here, this red line around the outside of the page, and drag. The proportions of your image will be maintained as you drag. Then when you let go, your image is placed. Another way to place an image is to create an object frame, and you do that by clicking on this rectangle with the X through it here in the Tools panel, and click and drag to create the frame to put your image in. Then, while that frame is highlighted, go to File, Place, again, navigate to the image you want, click Open, and it will place the image in the frame. In this case, you can see that the image is much bigger than the frame. So if you right-click over the image, and about halfway down this menu, you'll find Fitting. And if you click on Fit Content Proportionally, it will fit your content into that frame. Now this frame is more rectangular than the image that I placed in it, but I want it proportional. Otherwise it would stretch the image out to fit the frame. Then you can take the arrow at the very top is called the selection tool. You can take that and move it around on the page. In either case, you get both the object frame, which is this blue frame, and if you double click the image, those can be moved independently of each other. So if I move the image up, all you can see is the part of the image that's inside that frame. Or I can move the object frame like so. Now if you want to move them both together, up here in this top menu, click on Auto Fit, and it will size both of those together. I'm going to show you one other scenario that might happen when you're trying to place an image. So I'm going to go to File, Place, pick an image, click Open, and again I've got my loaded cursor. Now if you just click without clicking and dragging to create the frame, it places the image at its full size. And now in order to resize it to fit the page, you have to zoom way out to find the corner, click Auto Fit, and size it as so. It's a lot easier to click and drag to create the frame.